Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are gonna share with you perfectly delicious recipe of spicy seasoned radish in Korean style. So sometimes we all want to eat, but we don't have much appetite. So I have the problem solving recipe for you for your appetite, because once you try this out, your appetite is gonna grow and you're gonna eat perfectly well. Guys, if you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. So let's get it started. So guys, for this recipe, we are not gonna need much of the stuff. All we need is 4 pieces of medium-sized radish, 3 pieces of green onions. Then we are gonna need 1 teaspoon of honey. But guys, if you don't want to use honey, you can use sugar, sweetener, anything. You can replace with any sweetener. And then we are gonna need very tiny piece of ginger. In total, 7 pieces of garlic. Then we are coming to our beloved spices. Guys, this time we are gonna need lots of red hot chili pepper, red sweet pepper, black pepper, and a little bit more salt, because radish has really bittersweet and salt is gonna kill that. So let's see what we're gonna do. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start introducing you with the radish. So basically I've cut all of the radish into thin slices like matchsticks. Then I've cut onions in very tiny circles. I've minced all the garlic, and I've cut in very tiny pieces also the ginger. All right. So first of all, we are gonna start with matchsticks radish. So guys, if you want to use plastic gloves, you are welcome to do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and do just like this. So guys, then I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey. Guys, again, as I told you, this is only my preference. If you want to use sugar, you're welcome to do that, or sweetener. So guys, after honey, I'm gonna take our ginger. I'm gonna put the ginger, then our minced garlic, all of them. So what I want to do here, I want to mix them all right now and really use radish as a dough kind of, and just press to them, because right now they are very hard and we want them to get softer with our mix. All right guys. Guys, at this stage I'm gonna mix our spices. Because my right hand is already full of radish, I'm gonna use my left hand to mix up the spices and salt and black pepper. So basically guys, I've used red sweet pepper for the color, so the color of the radish will be red color, and hot spicy red hot chili peppers for the spice, and salt to kill the bitterness of the radish, and black pepper for the good smell and good taste. Guys, once we've done it, we just take it all and we just pour into our mix. At this stage guys, I don't want to add our green onion, because if I will mix them, they're gonna be really soft. So right now I'm just gonna mix up our radish just like dough. So guys, my husband likes honey and he wants it to be a little bit sweet, so I'm gonna add for him extra honey. You guys do not have to do this, it's personal.
Yes.
You can do however you want. And we mix them again. Guys, in order for you to understand when it's ready and when it's time for the green onions, when you are doing all this, you see the juice of the radish came out. This is the time when we actually put our green onions. After you put green onions, please do not press on them much, because green onions, you have to be a little bit gentle with them. See, the point we were pressing on radish, we wanted the juice out of them. So at this stage, this is it, guys. Guys, bon appetit. Thank you for watching us. Again, I want to mention that the second extra honey, you don't need to have, you don't need to do that. It's just for my husband, for our, personal taste. So thank you for watching again, guys. If you like our videos, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all to have a nice evening and try it out. I heavily recommend it. Wishing you all to have a nice evening. Bye. Bye, guys.